Today, let's talk about Moon Player, a Vision Pro app that at first glance seems just like a regular old video player, but is actually my favorite app on the headset. First off, it supports a wide range of formats from the Files and Photos app, making it easy to pull up downloaded videos recorded on your phone, or even 3D movies. Once I load up a video, I can watch it like this alongside my other apps, like my Windows desktop. However, I can also change the environment from pass-through to something cooler, like a personal theater, or even an entire cinema. There are a ton of settings that you can change here, like ambient lighting, subtitles, and the brand new 2D to 3D conversion feature. After turning it on, it converts all 2D videos into 3D in real time, albeit in a buggy and jarring way at times. However, when it works, it's awesome, and I've been trying it with a lot of videos that I've recorded on my phone and even gameplay footage. Highly recommend that you check it out, but I wouldn't try to watch an entire movie using this feature just yet. Another feature that I use often is DLNA Support, allowing for easy access to personal media servers like Plex. Whenever it comes to watching the TV shows that I have downloaded, I just put my headset on and open up Moon Player to check it out there. By far, my most used feature on here is being able to watch videos from the internet using the built-in browser. It lets you see only the video without any distracting items or pop-ups around it. Great for watching videos just like this one. Anyways, Moon Player is a great app for watching videos and movies, and you should check it out if you can. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.